Investment advisory is a subtle offering that we give. We have 4 types of clients here. One we call the capitalists. The capitalists are primarily institutions who their biggest problem is to allocate capital. So they sit somewhere, let's say in New York, and say, okay, emerging markets is not looking good. I'm going to move my money to frontier. I'm going to move to developed markets. So the decisions that they make are more allocation decisions. The other kinds of client that we have are, we call them hunters. Hunters, they always speak in this language. Show me the deal and I will give you the money. They don't like black box. Even if the institutions or individuals, they say, I want to build my portfolio on an asset by asset basis. So we've been very pleasantly surprised over time that there are clients, even international, who are saying, show us special type of situation opportunities and we'll be happy to put money with you. We call them hunters. Very, very interesting lot. I think they're some of the most interesting guys to work with. They are very exposed to investment, very sophisticated. They want to get their hands dirty and they want to be involved in determining what risk they take. The other kind of client that we have are called loyalists. I'm not being a male chauvinist here, but we found most of them to be women. They really love the Nabo brand. They really love everything that we do. They really love the goal-based investing. And they're very, very sophisticated, very well exposed, very successful in whatever they do, but they go beyond just your typical analysis. They look at you in the eye and they say, can I really trust this guy who is running this ship? And that's normally the biggest weight. And they are happy to meet you, not talk about performance, but just to know that you're there and you're looking after their money. The 4th type of investor that we've come across are millionaires. And these millionaires will always ask us, what's the minimum investment? They are, middle-level managers to senior managers in, some of the big institutions in town. And they are looking to build their portfolio. They haven't succeeded in terms of, doing big deals and making a lot of money in one deal that gives them a lot of capital to start their portfolio. So they're slowly building up their portfolios. The executive managers in banks, the executive managers in some of the big consumer businesses around telcos. But they want to build their portfolio slowly and surely, and they want to achieve that very elusive financial freedom that we just spoke about.